Hey everyone, Ooni Ambassador Lewis Pope here, also known as Unholy Pizza. Pizza rolls are one of the most universally loved party foods and snacks. Today we're going to be making our skillet baked take on this favourite in Ooni Pizza Ovens, finished with a garlic herb butter crust for ultimate indulgence. For this recipe, you're going to need 500 grams of pizza dough. You'll find the recipe for Ooni's classic dough in the description below. We have our garlic butter, a vital ingredient that's super easy to make. Just mix a pinch of finely chopped parsley and thyme with a clove of crushed garlic, with a teaspoon of salt and 250 grams of unsalted softened butter. Then you're going to need 200 grams of shredded mozzarella and 200 grams of thinly sliced pepperoni. I like to blitz them up in a food processor to achieve a texture that's a lot easier to scatter about. We've also got our classic pizza sauce, about 6 tablespoons should do, and some basil. Portion half your dough and lay it on a floured surface. Begin flatten out with a rolling pin, aiming for a long rectangular oval shape. Once your dough is nice and flat, you can add half of your sauce. Next, scatter half your mozzarella and pepperoni, leaving an inch or two of space around the edge. It's time to roll. Take the long edge of your rectangle and begin to roll the dough in on itself until you form a long tube. Repeat the previous step for the remaining dough and ingredients. Rolling in 2 rounds makes it a lot easier to handle. Once you have 2 nice sausage-shaped rolls, lay them side by side and slice into 1-inch thick discs. Now, grab your cast iron skillet pan and grease it with a generous layer of garlic butter. Place the skillet in the centre of your preheated Ooni Pizza oven to warm up. I aim for 300 degrees Celsius or 572 degrees Fahrenheit on the stone baking board inside. After a couple of minutes, remove the warmed pan from the oven. Carefully place your rolls in a circular pattern, flat side up in the pan. If you have some leftover dough, use this to squish the rolls down a bit just to fill up any gaps. Finish with a generous brushing of garlic herb butter and add extra sprinkle of cheese if you like. Now we're ready to cook. Place your skillet pan in the centre of the oven and cook for 3 minutes on each side to ensure a beautiful even cook throughout. Once the rolls are bubbling and have turned a gorgeous golden brown, remove the pan from the oven and set down to cool slightly. Just look at those super sizzling garlic butter pizza rolls, perfect for tearing, dipping and sharing. So I'm Lewis of Unholy Pizza. That's how you make skillet baked pizza rolls. Hot, but so good. Don't forget to hit subscribe below for more amazing videos from Ooni Pizza Ovens.